Hello and welcome to Crystal Crafts with Dee. This is my next project. This is a Christmas themed Diamond Dotz diamond painting. I cannot believe Christmas is already coming up so quickly, so I thought I'd better start get my skates on and do some Christmas diamond paintings. So this is the first one that I will be doing for Christmas. So this one here is a diamond art by Diamond Dotz. It's Holiday Edition and it is a lantern. And I just thought this looks so pretty. It's quite different from your usual, Christmassy sort of stuff, Santa and snowman and stuff. I just thought this was really lovely. So this one I got from dotzdirect.com.au. It comes in this lovely box, which is nice and sturdy. I do apologize for the glare. Nice box. It shows you the design on the front, so you can see what you're getting. And on the side there, it shows you the complete canvas. And on the other side, it shows you how to use it. Some instructions. On the back, it tells you what's in the kit. And I believe, where is it? I thought I'd seen it somewhere. So just there it tells you the actual finished size. So your design size is 30.5 centimeters by 30.5 centimeters. So 12 inch by 12 inch canvas. I don't know if this is a partial or a full drill. I'm not sure. We'll find out. So I haven't actually, normally I cut the seal on that. There we go. Alright, let's have a look. So we have one canvas and one lot of drills. So pop the drills over there. So your canvas comes in a clear dust cover. It keeps it free from dust and moisture, that sort of thing. And I'll just fish around and find, there we go. So in every Diamond Dotz diamond painting, you will get instructions, colored instructions, shows you with pictures and in different languages. So your Diamond Dotz. I love how the canvas has that beautiful scalloped edging. It's just really, really nice. Which way do we go? Oh. So that is a beautiful size. I love that. And what I'll do is I'm just going to roll it backwards just so it'll sit a little bit flatter. It is poured glue, so I can do this quite safely. Ooh. There we go. It wasn't cooperating. Just so it'll sit flatter. There we go. So I'll be taking the plastic off later on and just smoothing it back down again just to help it relax and sit flat. So there you go. That's actually, it's a perfect size. I love this size actually. My favorite sizes are your 30 by 30s and your 40 by 50s. I just love those sizes. So it's a full drill. That's really nice. That's really pretty. Gee, I like that. So with your Diamond Dotz, you do have that beautiful scalloped edging. You've got nice and clear, easy to see symbol key in 2 spots. And they show you the design thumbnail down the bottom, as well as your design size and your fabric size. That is just so clear. That is amazing. So I'll just sticky test it. So it's very sticky. I'll do this now. There we go. There we go. That's better. That was bugging me. Okay. So that looks really, really lovely. Nice and clear. And one thing that I really like about Diamond Dotz is that when they print on their canvas, the drills actually don't go all the way to the edge. So you have this really nice printed edging around your design, and that just gives it a really nice fading sort of effect, which I just think is really, really lovely. It's just that extra touch, isn't it? So I'll zoom you in and you can have a look at the drill field. So look how crystal clear that is. That is just gorgeous. No trouble at all seeing that. I won't even need a light pad. And this size is really handy for taking around with you, a nice traveling project. It's not too big, not too small. That looks lovely. And over here on your symbol case, so you have your numerical order, your symbol, and your your drill color. And that's just so easy to see. No problem at all. Beautiful. All right, I'll zoom you back out again. So we'll have a look at the drills. So there's your drill packet. And on the front it tells you the number of your design and the name of it. So you have your drills, whoops, and your toolkit. So your toolkit, you have a single placer drill pen, you have a squishy comfort grip thingy, you've got your wax in a screw top container, a drill tray, and some resealable bags. And your drills. Oh, I love, love, love Diamond Dotz drills. They are just beautiful. Okay, so we've got some, that's like a dark red, blue, pink, red, purple. So you can see already, you can just see the shine. Their drills are just really, really lovely, lovely drills. Some Christmas colors there. Some nice yellow. Got some nice pink, like a dusty pink that is. Pinks and reds. Grey. Got some greens. Some cream color, and this one here is your white AB, so it's got that extra coating on those drills that makes them extra super duper sparkly, which is good because it is a lantern and it's supposed to be sparkly. And then you've got some blues, red, cream, black, like a peachy orangey color, brown, brown, and gray. So flip them back over. So some really, really beautiful colors. It's just going to look absolutely gorgeous. So with this particular project and this video, this is an unboxing through to works in progress, right through to the review, and right through to me finishing it off and framing it. So it's the whole lot in one video. So I'm going to get started on this one, and we'll see how this turns out. Okay, so all finished. Didn't this turn out really, really lovely? I love the colors. I love how all this worked out. I actually thought, you know what, I'll get onto this super quick and get this done well and truly before Christmas, and well, everything got in the way and I've only just barely finished it in time. But anyway, the point is it's done. I love this. I love the colors, and the sparkle is just, it is so sparkly. Doesn't do it justice through the camera, but really beautiful, gorgeous size. Absolutely love it. So I didn't have any trouble with this at all. I could see the symbols. Drills were really good. Probably actually the white in the background had a few funny looking drills, but other than that, they were all really good. So I'll zoom you in and you can have a bit of a look. In we go. So quite a bit of confetti, but that all contributes to how nice it looks when it's done. So I love the contrasting reds and the greens, pinks. There's actually quite a few colors in this, 29. Very colorful, just love it. And that background there, I had a little bit of trouble with that just simply because it's so much of that white that my lines were going crooked and going all wavy all over the place. And so what I ended up doing, I just checkerboarded the whole background and then filled her in, and no trouble whatsoever with that. So but yeah, it started going all over the place. So there you go. That looks pretty cool, doesn't it? Really, really pretty. And I love these pine needly bits. I think they look really cool. But yeah, I can't see. Oh yeah, you can see the shine there. Really, really pretty. You got those gorgeous ABs in there to just really give it that extra oomph. So I'll zoom you back out again. Yeah, so that sort of bit there, it was up here, it was going all ooh, and I thought, oh my gosh, I'm going all over the place. So I just checkerboarded it and it was fine. So I'll flip you over and I shall have a look at those leftover drills. So I have plenty of leftover drills. Maybe got a bit light on this purple here, but I didn't actually use a lot of them. These guys, heaps. Heaps left over. A little bit of static. Whoop. So, yeah. No problem with those. And there's your darker colors there. But the white background, so that is this one here. 8412. Now I have a lot of spares of that one anyway from previous kits, but I was starting to sweat it a bit. I thought, oh, am I going to have enough? So that was cutting it a bit close, especially because that was a color that had some that were just, they sort of weren't cut all the way through, so like on the edges. So they had a lot of little bits stuck to the edges of them. But I didn't have heaps left, you know, heaps of them, but so yeah, that got a little bit close, but anyway, we had enough. That's the important thing. So I'll flip her back over, get these guys out of the way. So there's my Christmas lantern. Something a little bit different to your usual snowmen and Santas and that sort of thing, which I have a lot of, and I really love this image. And being such a workable size too, I think it's gorgeous. So, just in time for Christmas. Whew. Anyway, so thank you so much for watching my video, and I will catch you next time. Bye!